We often get asked, why should I choose a chainless instead of an unroller type feeder? Great question. And some of the common reasons is you may be feeding round bales now. Who's to know down the track that you may need some squares or may not need some squares, or the contractor comes in and bales an ultra tight crop of round bales, or he changes his baler and you end up with tight bales. Now, a chainless eats tight bales for breakfast. Even frozen bales, a chainless machine will pull those apart, whether they're on the right way around or back to front. They'll still chew them apart, and they'll chew them apart much faster than any unroller type of feeder with a chain and bar sort of setup. So a lot of guys are just completely frustrated with those bales going round and round, and they're switching to chainless. And also guys that are doing the odd square, or guys that just want a machine that's ultra low maintenance, super quiet. It'll stretch their hay out further so that there's less wastage and more uptake that the cattle are receiving out of your feed. And it also preserves the hay a lot better. Because it's very gentle in the way it pulls it apart, it preserves the integrity of the hay, and the cattle just love it. So another reason as well is there's no wearing parts on a chainless, and there's nothing to bend or break compared to a unroller type feeder or any other processing type machine. Those are just a couple of common guys that are making the switch. And even if you're just feeding round bales all the time, you're baling them yourself and you're in control of that process, a chainless is a much nicer machine to operate because you can feed thick, you can feed thin. There's so many options with a chainless. Guys that invest in these are super glad they do, and at the end of the day, the resale value on a chainless machine is far greater than any unroller system in the market.